Hello folks, and welcome to Blackjack Motorcars, LLC. We're located in Brandon, right near the intersection of Florida Highway 60 and I-75. Our phone number is 813-340-0918, and we work by appointment for your convenience. You see anything online here and you'd like to take a look at it, give us a call, and I'll be happy to meet with you anytime. Today I want to show you a very special car that I recently acquired. This is a 1999 Corvette Convertible. It only has 46,000 miles on it. Unbelievable. Well taken care of. I knew it'd been taken care of when first I popped the trunk and I saw a nice expensive car cover that was stowed in the trunk. Beautiful black paint in excellent condition. Tan leather interior. It has upgraded chrome factory wheels. It's riding on almost new BF Goodrich tires. You can see this. This car is just phenomenally beautiful. I just love this car. Don't get a chance to see very many like this that old. It's got the chrome exhaust tips. It looks like a factory exhaust on it, but it has a little bit more tone, so I'm not sure if it's factory or not. Has a little bit dress-up plate there by the license plate with some kind of cover over the backup lights. Just impeccable car. I can't say enough about this thing. It drives like a brand new one. Let's take a quick look at the interior. It's automatic transmission. Interior is absolutely beautiful. Take a look at the seats. You know, the leather is gorgeous on both of them. You've got your usual Corvette options, AM, FM, CD, dual passenger and driver air conditioning, tilt wheel. You got your memory seats for 2 passengers, power seats. Just a great car. Again, it runs absolutely perfect. I'm going to miss this car when it goes away, and I don't think it'll last long. It's just a beautiful example of a 99 Corvette. So give us a call at 813-340-0918. Make an appointment, come see this beauty. We think you'll like it. Thanks for watching, and as always, at Blackjack Motorcars, you'll never go bust. Have a great day.